still relying on static spreadsheets and endless email threads to coordinate your team. Sharing information isn't the problem, making sure the right people have the right level of access over your map is. MAPOG's versatile sharing options help you tackle exactly that. To share your maps with confidentiality, head over to story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish Maps. Open your map project you want to share. Navigate to the Preview and Share section and set the map type to private. The public sharing option is for open access, and the private sharing option is for securing your data and internal collaboration. Before adding team members, you need to prepare your data visibility environment. Click on Settings and go to Attributes. Select the attributes you want to be made visible to your collaborators and unselect the ones you want to hide. Once saved, only the selected information will be displayed to your team members, while keeping sensitive or confidential data protected and hidden. After this, move over to the Access section and click Add User. Inside the Provide Map Access option, select Add Member to enter email addresses of your collaborators or team members to bring them into the project workspace. While adding your members' email address, you can choose if their role is to be set as admin or others. Admin users receive full access to manage all aspects of the map project and structural settings. Other members can be assigned specific roles based on the level of access they need. Next comes the most crucial part, assigning the specific roles and permissions. You can select members from the drop-down list to assign multiple people at once and define their workflows. MAPOG offers tailored roles based on your project requirements. Like editors can add, edit, and remove annotations and map layers, which is perfect for active field staff. And lastly, you can also add users as viewers who can just strictly view the map and its elements without having the authority to change or edit the map contents. Further, admins can always return to the preview and share tab to upgrade or revoke access as the project evolves. Once all the settings and user roles are customized to your needs, click Invite. Only the selected members will receive access to the map, perfectly restricted to the roles you designated. By unifying your entire team within a single, secure mapping environment, you completely eliminate miscommunication and accelerate daily decision-making. Everyone stays perfectly synchronized, and your master project remains completely safe from accidental edits or data loss. If you need assistance with data uploads, spatial analysis, map creation, or professional GIS consultancy, reach out to the team anytime at support@mapog.com.